They say that the Nigeria court don't come outside. The court say that on coming Monday, they wan rule for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu terrorism can charge. Now we come dey talk say how many times they wan talk put for this matter and how many times their court wan rule for this kind matter. Nigeria is so funny. But however, we go find out how that one take dey happen. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army resistance fighter don send another message give to those wey dey come Osumo will come fight them. Tell them say before they come, make they prepare their will very well before they begin to dey come, because he said that the coming days are going to be hot. Say wetin dey happen now. Say that one na children play. Now I come say hey wahala dey o. But however, we will still go find how that one take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See the here they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, the information what they reach us now, I be say they say Nigeria court want to rule on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu terrorism charge. Now what they ask say how many times they want poo for this matter safe. But however, I will pray that everything is going to work perfectly and good for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's not easy for someone to bring out himself to pay the sacrifice for the freedom of his own people and for people to have a good government and good governance. So Nnamdi Kanu have done something that you yourself cannot do. So whoever that done it right or done something that you can't do, you appreciate that person. However, let's quickly jump into the next matter where we'll get for our hand today. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. They'll send a clear message again, give people the Nigeria security force whether they send come for inside Osumo will say may they try the prepare letter keep them before they began to come, because things wey go dey happen from now henceforth. They say that one person no fit talk put o. But however, we go play this video, may you listen, and before we go come back and continue.
What you are seeing now, what you are observing now in Nigeria, what you are experiencing now in Nigeria is a child's play. Remember, the great prophet have told you, if you did not have Somalia visa, go and acquire one. Let me tell you everything he said. He said, if you do not have bicycle, go and get yourself one. How much is fuel now per liter? He told you the second one, if you do not have Somalia visa, go and get one, because you definitely need it. And he said, if you did not kill Nigeria, Nigeria will kill you. That is why we choose to end up Nigeria, so that Nigeria will not end us all up. Yes. If we fail to end up Nigeria, if we fail to break Nigeria, Nigeria will break us. If we fail to leave Nigeria, Nigeria will destroy us, because Nigeria is a death trap. Nigeria is a graveyard. Nigeria is hellfire. Your pastor failed to tell you that Nigeria is the hellfire that I've been talking about. When you open your Bible, your slave book, and you hear where they call hellfire, hellfire is Nigeria. Nigeria is hellfire. So therefore, if we do not end Nigeria, Nigeria will end us. That is why you see us doing what we are doing. And we will continue to do it until we are totally be restored Biafra. I will still tell you, if you never vote, go and vote. And for those of you who think that selling this struggle is the best, remember, you cannot sell this struggle and remain alive. You can never sell this struggle and remain alive. That is for sure. You can't sell this struggle and remain alive. No matter how hard you try, the blood of those who die in the name of this struggle will haunt you down. You know people, a lot of people die for this struggle. Do you know so many people die for the name of Biafra? Are you aware that even unborn children die for that name Biafra? How will you survive if you go and collect money in the name of selling this struggle? How will you survive? I'm just asking a question. How are you going to survive? Because if the old man that died for this struggle did not hunt you down, the young girl will hunt you down. If she failed to hunt you down, unborn child will hunt you down. Little child will hunt you down. Boys and men, father, mother, auntie, uncle will hunt you down. And that is why go and ask Chinaza Amuru, are you having peace for selling your master? Go and ask Barrister Ejiofor, do you see peace? Do you have peace? All these people are the dead men. Go and ask Ima Powerful, have you seen peace? Many of them, you can't sell this struggle and you have peace. Once you sell this struggle, your hands have been stained with blood, and now that blood will kill you. You will never have peace. Nigerians today, the terrorist Islamic State of Nigeria can no longer fight again because one of their eyes, the mount in our midst, have been captured. And since they did not have information again, they are useless. And we get the grant. The gods of our land know how to fish the evil one out. That is what you do not know. And that is why I will keep telling you that it does not matter how long you want this fight to go on. But at the end of the fight, Biafra will come. You cannot win us. How many souls have you wasted in the name of you want to come and kill Biafrans? You never tire. Come now. We see the here. Now me see they talk to you so. No be robot, no be record, no be past record. Now me see they talk to you so. May you take no say, now me, today, you don't see say, today na 22, abi? And you don't see say, time now, they 2 minutes to the hours of 7. And you know say, today na Thursday now. And you equally know say, today, You equally know say today you no come here. So therefore, you definitely be wiped out in the surface of Biafra territory. Having said this to you, get prepared, because you think that Biafra territory is where you can come and kill their children in masses and go free. You think that Biafra territory is where you can come and take land by fire, by force. And you think that Biafra territory is where you can take the Biafran children slave. We say we don't want Nigeria. Nothing you can do that will make us to accept Nigeria. We have never been Nigerian. Our forefathers were not born Nigerians. Our fathers are not Nigerians. And we can never be Nigeria. So therefore, there is nothing you can do to make us become what we are not. You can never change our mind. So you thinking that let's kill them, the rest will take out of fear and then accept Nigeria. No be today. Let's starve them. The rest will take fear of anger, agree to be Nigeria. No be today. You can never win this war. Not in a million years to come. Have that in mind. So good people of Biafra, well-wishers, and the lovers of freedom, I'm here to tell you that they are tired. But as I told them before, that where they stop is where we start. We are beginning our own, and they are feeling it. They are feeling it. We just started to. You know what we call jungle fight. The terrorists are beginning to disappear one after the other. They can never sleep and wake up in a complete number. Ask them, they know. They can never sleep and wake up in a complete number. That is who we are. What is taking them, they don't know. So therefore, remain strong. This battle is a win battle by Biafrans. And we will never bow down, and we will never surrender. Neither are we going to retrieve. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. We must win this war, as we are already on the winning side. I say, let me come and update you. Today is a free day, because their eyes have been blind. They are blind. And so they will remain blind forever and ever, until Biafra is emerged. Mechuko Gika Abiyama, the gods of our ancestors, the gods of our land, guide and protect his children, now and forevermore. He say, and may God destroy all those that bring mayhem, bring death in our land. May they never live to see the good side of Biafra. May they never leave. May death and death fall upon them and their generation, now and forevermore. He say, remain blessed until I come your way tomorrow. Let's see what tomorrow will give us. Thank you, and share this message to reach hope and reach Tunumbu. Share it and tell them that the people he sent hope to come and kill, they're still there, very strong and very healthy, very mighty, stronger than them. Their machinery, all of them don't run go. Shouting that these men passed them. What do you think before we pass you? Remain blessed.
Welcome back, my people. Share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. No be small thing, no. Sebi don't hear am. Nigeria, I don't know. No, waiting they want talk again for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu matter. The only solution is to leave him. He no do anything and grant waiting they ask, so that the peace go be for the land. Wetin we go get say we buy ourselves finish. End of the day, we sit there for suffer for year to year, and wetin we go get say make everybody go in papa house go think in future. Let me tell you people, the Hausas should rise up, because you people are going to be in the benefit when Nigeria split, because you have enough land to farm. You can provide food to any countries that go out from Nigeria. You can provide so many things. Do your legit business with them. And all these people who call themselves leaders, when they are not there again, you can govern yourself. Take out your children from the street. I don't know how many times we will tell you this before you learn. Hausa people, I'm talking to you, not Fulani. Fulanis come to destroy. They are not there to build Nigeria, but they want to take over. Their agenda is Islamization, and which will not work for them. So the Biafrans has taken their fate that they want to be on their own. So the Nigerian government should stop forcing them to be one Nigeria. It can't work. My people, share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as it dey hot. And don't forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section.